Well, look who's docking right by us. It's the Jubilee, baby. Brand new. Might be a little grainy looking through the dirty window. Not on the inside, but on the outside. But she's looking good. Welcome to Cozumel. There's the brand spanking new first cruise out of the United States, Jubilee. Really windy. Got the Valor coming in over there. Jubilee is out of Galveston, if you're not aware of that. Busy port today. Valor will probably be docking either next to them or next to us. A little choppy today. Of the Seas and the Celebrity Apex, also a working ship, and not parked next to a older ship, very old ship, also out of Tampa. Is Towel Animal Invasion Day, always here in Cozumel. We'll get you a closer look in just a second. Looks really nice. They finally got it filled back up after yesterday's little vomit affair. Not really sure what's going on there. just saying. Someone stole one. Someone stole two. Another one. Gone. The Valor making her way in. Slowly but surely. A little bit different view of the new Jubilee. As you can see, the Valor's coming in. Now, do you think it's going to go to our dock? There's a hint. Or are they going to go to that dock next to the Jubilee? Your answer is, now that you've thought about it, if our dock is still open, people still getting off our ship at this point, they're going over there. Let's see if I'm right. Alright, I could be wrong, because those are lines hanging out. Nothing over there. But our dock is still open. Cool over there is they run out their gangways with a crane.
down to deck 3, forward and midship. An announcement will be made when the gangway has reopened. Thank you.
I was wrong. I was wrong. Terry, you a little hungry this morning?
I just saw it and I want it, so I'm gonna eat it.
Alright, so she got 2 muffins that she loves, a bagel, and some oatmeal. I got 2 eggs, powdered eggs, baked beans, and a piece of ham. And 2 chips. Just kidding. Good morning.
Good morning.
From Cozumel.
Cozumel again.
Again, we lost track now. I don't know if it's 54 or 55 times.
It's a little windy here today.
It is windy.
It's not a good lane in the Sunday for me.
No, it's actually, if you look behind us, it's actually kind of cool and windy. Look at that hair. But anyway, so I'm going to do another tour of the ship because they made some changes, and I'll point those changes out to you because a lot of them, people don't realize what they did. So we'll bring that to you on a different video, of course. And today I think we might go ashore, but we're not really sure yet.
We're going to go walk around.
Yeah, we might go walk around.
Hi.
All right, we'll see you in a little bit.
Bye.
We already did that. Say bye.
Bye. I said bye.
Bye. Cozumel. I'm gonna have to count. I can't remember if, like I said, if it's 54, 53, or 55 times. Another change here on the Lido deck is they added this ADA compatible shower. All right, we decided we're gonna get off.
We're getting off. We're going into Cozumel.
That didn't sound good.
What?
We said we're gonna get off.
Okay.
Sorry.
Sorry.
But anyway, we're gonna go get us a
margarita. Chips and dip.
Pancho's backyard.
Yeah.
We'll see it. Look how shiny. We may have to book it. Out of Galveston, maybe I can talk my brother into going. I think it's a little larger than the rest of them. Pancho's is packed today. Here we are at Pancho's backyard. She wants to call it Mr. Pancho's, but it's just Pancho's backyard. Anyway, when you come to Pancho's backyard, only get 1 margarita.
No, don't get 2.
Don't get 2.
No.
They are strong.
But we got the chips and dip.
We got the chips and the salsa.
Yep.
And it's all good. We're not going to get probably anything else because we can go back to the ship and eat for free.
Yeah.
We're cheap, sorry.
But it's a beautiful day here and you're right on the water.
It is. And so anyway, come to Pancho's backyard, come off the pier, turn left, and follow the waterfront all the way down. You'll run right into it.
Cheers.
Hasta la vista. Why? Because after I drink this, I won't walk back to the ship. Just kidding.
You're kidding.
Maybe. Babe, what'd we tell everybody?
Only get 1 drink here. Do not.
Don't get
more than 1 drink you will be.
If you get a 3rd, share it.
Yeah.
Don't drink it. I mean, no, don't drink 2 each.
No.
They are very, very strong.
Do it.
I'm gonna swim back to the ship.
I really think you're trying to get me drunk here so you can run off and leave me.
No, that's not it. That's not it. I'm getting you drunk so we can get back on the ship. And all right, Terry, what was our rule? What was our rule?
1 drink each.
1 drink each. That is not 1 drink each, ma'am. Whew, they are strong. All right, so we're gonna stagger back to that ship out there. One of those, we don't know which one. We may go to New Orleans. We may go to Galveston, or we may go back to Tampa. We're not sure yet. We'll figure it out. She cray-cray. That's why I married her, because she cray-cray. Oh, we made it back on safe. We're good to go. We're going back to Tampa. I don't want to go home. Say bye. We'll see you at, we're going to lay out here by the pool for a while. It's 3:30. I'll show you that in a second. And we're going to go to dinner here in a little bit. Oh, but like I told you, when you go to Poncho's backyard, one margarita, two margarita, three margarita, floor. All right, security's out here. This is our security face. Not doing anything wrong. Security. Don't laugh, it's not funny. Babe.
We're not going. We're already here at dinner, and I'm so hungry. I'm starving.
She's starving.
So
what are you gonna get?
I'm gonna get chicken parmesan and steak fajita. What you get, love?
I don't even know what I got.
You're getting pork. You're getting pork ribs. Pork ribs.
I'm getting Caesar salad,
and
shrimp,
soup.
French onion soup.
You're getting it all, baby.
But we'll show you. I already showed you the menu, so now you know what we're getting. I'm getting it all. One of everything. And we're taking our waitress home for dinner.
He loves our waitress. We'll show you a picture of her. She's very beautiful.
She's hot.
She's beautiful.
Am I allowed to say that in front of her?
No, she's beautiful. I agree.
We're going to take her home.
Okay.
We're going to make some money.
Oh, no. Don't say
we're gonna put, well, we're going to put her into modeling.
No, stop. Stop.
Ow.
Take it back.
Ow. Terry's first appetizer, French onion soup. Mine, French onion soup. Yummy, yummy. Terry's second appetizer, shrimp cocktail. My second appetizer, stuffed mushrooms. Yummy, yummy. Third and final appetizer.
Well, you must like it a little bit. You've been on how many?
You miss her. You miss her.
For my entree, for my life. My last appetizer, I mean my last entree. Pear, pork ribs.
Bachelor's in like 2 years.
Last entree, pepper steak.
She would say things from like, you know, you need.
All right, Terry got an almond tart. I got the tiramisu. babe?
We're not going anywhere. We're here.
All right,
We're at the comedy club.
more
Much
comedy.
later.
Mark,
Much later.
Mark Sweeney tonight. We'll see.
Mark Sweeney.
I don't know who Mark Sweeney is, but
But
we're going to
here.
watch him right here at the comedy club. We'll let you know how good it
We'll
is.
let you know if he's funny or not. If he's
All right.
not funny, I'm going to bet.
Yeah, me too. Too many margaritas today.
So we will have one chocolate martini before we go to bed.
We will. You'll see that here in a minute.
If he's funny or he's not funny.
That's true. All right, we got to go because it's going to copyright. Goodbye. Say bye.
Bye-bye.
Yogi knows how to make a chocolate martini. It's that time of night. Time for us to go to bed. Yogi made us some awesome chocolate martinis.
Chocolate martini time.
We had a really busy day today, so we're going to call it a night early. I'm not even going to go to the casino.
Cheers.
Cheers.
So good.
Why do we drink them?
So good.
Because they're so good.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
All right, so tomorrow's a sea day. Still always ready to go to that. Oh, bye. All right, bye. All right, so anyway, tomorrow's a sea day. And
We're going to
you
have
see
fun.
this abuse, right? You see this abuse. Yeah, we're going to have fun tomorrow. I gotta go. See,
No.
filter.
We're having fun.
All right. Anyway, we'll see you tomorrow at Florida. Sea day.
Night, night.
See you. Bye. Say bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh, bye.
Bye-bye.